Hi everyone, welcome to our next video series and the series of Arthniti, and a hearty welcome to you all in the video series of Arthniti. In this video, we will discuss about AI, a bubble, or it is really a boom. So, so now you have seen that the NVIDIA company has uh, reached the market capitalization of approximately $5.03 trillion, and that had happened in October 29, 2025. And this is first publicly traded company in the world to reach that milestone. So we will take that example as a benchmark, and through that example, we will discuss is AI bubble or not. Okay, so let's dive in. Please consider that this achievement places NVIDIA ahead of the uh, all the big titans like Apple, Microsoft, Saudi Aramco is basically the oil company there in Saudi, and marking the new era defined by artificial intelligence and semiconductor dominance. So, and this I told it has reached the market cap of $5.3 trillion. So if you see the uh, Nasdaq market trend, so in 2013, so barely last 3 months, NVIDIA crossed $4 trillion. So barely in that 3 month of span, it has crossed $4 trillion and showcasing an unprecedented acceleration in the corporation value. And this rise followed by the company's announcement of massive AI chip order. So that order is worth around $500 billion, and the contract to build government supercomputer. So after this, after these all agreements, the you can see the sharp rise here. So in 2023 and now in 2025, so around $4 trillion of surge you can see here, and this is the huge. Now coming to the back to the slide. Now, so let's discuss about what are the regions that causes the raise of market cap around more than $5 trillion. The first one is the AI hardware dominance. So as we know that NVIDIA's GPU, graphics processing unit, are the major backbone of the modern AI infrastructure. So basically, every uh, major companies everything is invested in AI and all, for chip making and all, for GPT making company. So they all are using GPU, and they use a large language model, generative AI platform, and data center operations across the world. So these two are the major thing that NVIDIA is doing right now, and due to that, I think most of the market that has been surrounded by NVIDIA due to these regions. And with AI demand rocketing, NVIDIA's chip become uh, indispensable to major companies like OpenAI, you can say Google, Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft. So this is the first reason. Now the second reason is the massive order book and government contract. So Nvidia revealed like the record breaking orders around more than $500 billion. And you can see, you must have remembered that Donald Trump has also announced to give $5 billion to the AI infrastructure development. S- And that is the other part. And apart from that, Nvidia had got the investment of $5 billion in this field. And this include AI supercomputers for government use as well. And this booking guarantees strong future revenue, reinforcing investors' confidence. So these are the things that has given the investors confidence that now invest in NVIDIA and you will see a large return in future. Now the third is leadership, technological leadership. So the company's next generation Blackwell chip and AI optimized architecture delivers superior energy efficiency and computing power. So company is coming up with the Blackwell chip and the AI optimized architects. So these are the next thing that has given the people confidence to invest in this company. And NVIDIA's proprietary CUDA software ecosystem, okay, has become an industry standard, ensuring customer lock-in and ecosystem dominance. Now, coming to the fourth one is market perception, core enabler of AI revolution. So, uh, so this is the market perception. Due to the all above three, the market has perception to that it is the right time to invest in AI company, that is NVIDIA, so that I can get the maximum return in future. Coming to the next slide. Now, if you see the comparison, I have done the comparison for three companies, including NVIDIA. Then you can see that NVIDIA has reached the market cap of $5.03 trillion, leaving behind Microsoft and Alphabet. Okay, and this market value is greater than the India's and Japan total GDP. So you can see how people have that much of confidence and people are investing in these all companies. But if we say if we take the opinion of Bill Gates, then Bill Gates has given the warning that this sharp rise has to end somewhere. Okay, has given on the like that this is a not the boom. This will end somewhat and in future time. Now let's see what is market bubble. So let's first focus on the definition. So the market bubble is a rapid and dramatic increase in the price of an asset like a stock, a house, or even a digital collectible that is not supported by its true underlying value. And these are the key characteristics of the bubble. So the first one is rapid rise in valuation. So if you see, like just like the example of NVIDIA, so in 2003 to right now, it has taken a sharp, steep market stock market graph that has around $4 trillion. So this is exactly the example of rapid rise in valuation. The second thing, the investor fear of missing out. So that I told, like people are saying like in future AI will be everything. So people are thinking that this is the right time to invest in this AI based company. And the third one is overexposure and crash when expectation fails. And you can see the graph like first the boom will happen, then it will go up to the peak and then it will collapse. Now this is not the new thing that had happened. We can take one example of dot-com bubble. So, and I have done the comparison for that. Mm, now, so if we see the first aspect is technology driver. So dot-com is basically the internet uh, related to internet, and this is the AI boom. So it is the AI boom. What is the perception? In that era, the perception was that every business will need a website. So everyone has invested in dot-com bubble, and now everyone is thinking that AI will be the supremacy. AI will lead each and every businesses, and due to this, every investor is inclined to give their money. Now the third thing is valuation surge. So if you see, there is 400% surge in just 3 years for .com, and it is even less year to reach 400%. It is only around 2 years. And if you see the outcome for .com, so in 2000, a sharp fall of 78%. Now let's see what will happen to the NVIDIA share. Now coming to the next thing, like what, uh, it might not be a bubble. So first one is the real value growth. So if you see the NVIDIA, Microsoft, and others are generating genuine profit from AI hardware and cloud service. So these are the real generating profit that you can see through the AI hardware and cloud service. And the second thing is strong institutional investment. So unlike 2000 for .NET, most funding now comes from the large tech firms, not just the related speculations. And the third one is cross-sector utility. So AI has the real world application in medicine, finance, manufacturing, and defense, and it is for non everyone is knowing that this will lead in every sector. This will integrated through every sector like medicine, finance, and all. So it's not the hype, it is the reality in future that AI will lead each and everything, every businesses. So here, hence we can say overvalued, but not a pure bubble. So thank you everyone. So you can follow us on YouTube, our Instagram page, and our LinkedIn page, and from where you can get all the updates of Earthnithi's club, what are the events we have done so far. And if you want something, you can comment in my our YouTube channel. It will be very, motivating for us to upload and getting with some new videos. And also you can comment below what are the videos you want, and I will back then with the new video with well research. Thank you everyone. Namaste.